Hello, assalamu alaikum dear viewers. In this short video we are going to learn how to write this notation or symbol unit vector notation in MS Word using equation editor. So let's start. So in order to insert equation editor you need to press alt equal. You see the equation editor appear in front of you. You just write here n and then press backslash and add and 2 times press space bar. See the hat is coming appear on the head of the notation, and after that you are going to put underline, again press backslash and write this one and press space bar 2 times and you will get this notations. I hope you will like this video. If you like this one, please share and comment your precious opinion in the comment section. Thanks for watching.